Ah, it is Thursday morning and we have some very unusual fabrics today. I grouped them together in black and whites. The reason I did that was just so that you could see the companion pieces that went so well together. But let me go through and show them to you because they're really unusually different. This being a solid black, and what we know black and whites always are so big for spring and summer. But this has a really beautiful pin tucking to it. It's 100% cotton. All of these, the prices are just really, really good. Just check out the pricing. We've just done a really good job on getting them and passing that savings on to you. But it's 100% cotton. That pin tucking is just beautiful. It's patterned throughout the fabric. And it's just really beautiful. And then coupled with it, this is 100% linen. Beautiful piece of fabric. It is woven in, the pattern is woven, so very expensive piece of fabric. But again, I think it's like $19.99. We're doing it at a really good price. But it's a beautiful piece of fabric. Very pretty, black and whites, a little bit of gray in there. I put this solid in here. This is cotton poly because it's very much like a Lulu fabric. It has great drape. It has stretch in both directions. And, we can offer this for a much better price than what we can the Lulu. Or the Lulu look-alike, I guess I should say. But really great basic and a beautiful piece. This is 100% viscose. It's a beautiful asymmetric piece. Love the print. You can see that it's just stunningly beautiful. It is a black and a milk. It's not a white per se. It's more of a milk tone, but very pretty and great drape. It's 100% viscose crepe. So it's got just a slight little texture to it. Just really beautiful. Then this is 100% viscose. This is a Max Mara. I think if you know that designer, you know Max Mara is one of the leading high-end designers. Love this. And what I saw with this is it was a blouse. And part of the blouse was done in squares, just like this. And then part of the blouse, the other side, was done in angles. It was a beautiful combination of the two. The angles on the one side and the straight on the other side. The sleeves, of course, were straight, and I did not see the back, but it wouldn't matter. But 100% viscose, beautiful woven piece of fabric. Then this last one is a border print. It is 100% viscose. It's a dual border, so I want to try to show it. Maybe I can't show it to you that way, but anyway. It's a dual border, so the bottom is exactly the same as this top here. It's very pretty, very lightweight, just a beautiful piece of fabric. An animal print, and yet not a specific animal print, almost like a jungle print. Just really beautiful, great drape, just pretty, just pretty. And I love how it has that alternate color. So you could really do black, white, or cream. You could really blend, or beige, you could really blend those together. Anyway, that's a dual border, the same as on both sides. That border is about 12 inches wide on both ends. I'll put it this way so you can see a little bit better. There we go. All right, so the goal is with these beautiful fabrics, and I know you will, have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.